Today we're doing some testing with just a variety of things, but I came across, this is actually my sister's car, and she has this pretty deep, long, gnarly scratch on top of an oxidized hood. Anyway, so today I thought this would be a perfect example to try the picture perfect polish on this. Forgive the label, though it's a label, it's more of a sticker, it's not a production label. But I'm gonna see how well it works on this deep scratch right here. What I wanna try it with first is I've been really liking this burgundy pad. And so I'm gonna try the burgundy pad, which is kind of the one step. Again, my goal has been one liquid, one pad. I think this scratch warrants a rotary. So we may have to step it up to a rotary with a wool pad. I just wanna see how far we can get with just the burgundy pad and the picture perfect polish. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do now. This may even warrant, some people, if you're an extreme paint correction pro, this may even warrant some wet sanding and then a rotary and then a DA. But for the DIYer at home who maybe just wants to make it look better, I want to see how well I can remove this scratch with just one pad, one product. Just saying. We were able to completely remove that scratch. So we were able to completely remove that scratch. If you're really nitpicking it, there's some really deep stuff, maybe right there. But I have perfect lighting, perfect situation. If we brought that out in the sun, my biggest problem is going to be I'm going to have a really shiny spot with an oxidized hood. So I'm going to have to polish out the rest of the hood. But again, one liquid, one pad completely removed that super gnarly deep scratch. And if you notice, the work time of the polish was perfect. It wasn't drying out on me. I got a little bit of dusting from, I didn't clean out my pad properly. So it was a used pad, but that is how quickly, again, one liquid, one pad, and that's exactly what I wanted in a polish. What we don't have is a swirl mark. We don't have any sanding marks. We don't have anything. We just have complete removal of that super, super deep scratch. So again, one pad, that's why I'm loving this maroon pad so much. I think this is the final pad that I'm gonna end up going for with the Picture Perfect polish, but it is available right now on jimbosdetailing.com. So if you're looking to remove deep scratches, you're looking to really make your paint look phenomenal, remove any oxidation, I think I nailed it, and I developed this whole thing on YouTube. So I'll put a link for that product below, and I'm super happy with how that scratch came out. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. See ya.